Have you ever felt stuck in a rut? It's time to shift your mindset and create more than you consume. This simple yet powerful idea can transform your life. First, create distance from the wrong people. Surround yourself with positive influences that lift you up. This small change can spark significant growth. Next, develop an I can do this file. Fill it with achievements and affirmations to remind yourself of your worth and potential. Show gratitude daily. Recognizing what you appreciate enhances your positivity and opens doors to more abundance. Automation can simplify your financial and personal tasks. Automate savings and bill payments to ensure you always move forward. Get specific about your goals. Instead of vague aspirations, define precise, achievable objectives for clarity and focus. Audit 3 key buckets in your life: time, energy, and finances. This helps you recognize where to invest for maximum return. Commit to learning something new about money weekly. This habit empowers you to make informed financial decisions. Stop caring about others' opinions. Focus on your journey and let go of the noise around you. Beware of the yes trap. Saying yes to everything can drain your energy. Learn to prioritize your commitments. Invest in yourself. Take courses, read books, and seek experiences that enrich your life. Diversify your financial life. Explore different income streams to build a stable financial future. Simplify your decision-making process. Create criteria for choices to eliminate stress and confusion. Network with intent. Build connections that align with your goals and passions for deeper, more meaningful relationships. Take action before you feel ready. Start small. The momentum will build your confidence. Finally, ask the questions. Curiosity drives growth, so never hesitate to seek clarity. Remember the 1% progress rule. Focus on making small improvements daily. Over time, these will lead to monumental changes. Now it's your turn. Start implementing these steps today to create a life of abundance. Don't just consume, create and inspire others. Like, share, and subscribe for more empowering content.